There's a brace here with a screw here, and it loops around, and another screw is right here, and then it crosses over, and there's another screw right here, and it comes on around, and it comes out right here, and there's another screw right there. Those look like 10mm screws that need to come loose. The other thing to think about is getting this airbag clip right here. This is for the airbag, the yellow connector, and I figure the orange is a lock. The orange is a lock, and then you press the trigger to release it and unhook it. Also going to have to disconnect all these wires from this panel here and pull that out, or get it disconnected somehow. Okay, so to pull this out, you just push this clip in and push the bottom clip up, and it should slide out. That's nice. Now I'm going to go after that airbag. And unfortunately, this would be very, very difficult to video because of the location of this thing. But it does have the orange lock, like I discussed. Use a screwdriver to push it out, and then press on the yellow connector, squeeze on the yellow connector, and it should just slide apart. Well, I'm having a hard time squeezing it, so I'm going to push it down, push the clip down with a screwdriver. There it goes. Doesn't look like I'm the first one that's had trouble with this. There's a mark, screwdriver mark on the clip, and it's disconnected. They're easier to get to. All right. So on this metal bracket, there's a series of 7mm screws that are easier to reach. And I may not have to take this whole metal bracket loose from the truck. I don't know. gonna lay that over here rather than disconnect that. And I don't see any other. Oh, I do see one right there. Alright, we're going to undo these two 10mm screws right here. Back them way off. Not going to remove them. I'm just going to loosen them way back. And same thing on this side, we'll undo these two bolts. But on this side, I'm going to take them all the way off. These are 10mm, by the way. I know I've got a screw right here I've got to loosen. Take it out. 7mm screw. And another one right above the brake controller here, the emergency brake release. You just lift up on the emergency brake release and you can take the 7mm screw out. I do know there's two here behind the steering column, or the, yeah, where the gauge cluster was. There's two 7mm behind the gauge cluster right in the middle. The sun is blinding me. I'm going to have to hang a tarp. Pretty sure. Okay, there's a 10mm bolt here that looks like it needs to come out. Nut. That's a step in the right direction. Guys, there are two 10mm bolts right there. There's one there and one there. I'm going to have to show you. Okay, we're going to take a dive underneath the dashboard and you will see the two bolts. One is right here. Right there, it's a 10mm head. The other one is right here, another 10mm head. And you got to be straight up and down vertical to get to it. Alright, going after those two 10mm bolts. One. Two. Alright, that helped loosen things up tremendously on this side. So there's two 10mm bolts on each side of the steering column. 10mm nuts. We're going to take those apart, see what happens. Two of them off. Three of them off. And four of them off, and now this shield comes off.